Hello everyone, this is Harsimrat and today I'll be presenting my project for HT task, that is something awesome. For this task, I've made login page of Netflix official website and also include databases using API and Google Sheet so that it stores data of all the emails entered by the users. So here is my HTML code for the website. And here is the CSS code. I have also added media queries. And this is the JavaScript code. So let's run this. So this is the interface of the website. If you just randomly entered something, it will show an alert message. Please enter a valid email. And if I entered an email, so there is a alert message show, thank you, redirecting to the next step. It means you have successfully registered your email. And if I register any other mail, let's say abcdefgh 123456 @gmail.com, and you have successfully registered with this mail also. And here is the Google Sheet which is linked to the website, and here it will store the emails registered by the user. So I used SheetDB website for this to generate an API key, and I linked that with my Google Sheet. I further linked my Google Sheet with my website. So here is the API endpoint URL. I use this to link my Google Sheet with my website. So this part of the code is actually linking my Google Sheet to the website. And here is that API endpoint URL. If I open this link, you will be redirected to this site. Here you will see all the stored data of emails entered by the user. If I again enter any other mail, and registered it successfully, I'll go back to the website and refresh it, and you'll see the email is there. If I want to remove any of the mails out of my database, then I'll just edit it on my Google Sheet. You will see empty quotes here, and that is because the first two cells are empty. So I'll just shift the other mails. Now I'll go back to the same site and refresh it. And now it's fine.